All right, so here's what we got. We'll probably drive the trucks, that carport on the left. I'll move that. We can drive up through the yard to about here. Here's where we have the tree stump. This is the first of the two trees. So this one is about 26 inches in diameter. Here you can see it's a little bit funky, dead in the middle there. This is what it looks like at the part of the tree. And the distance from here to where the tree starts splitting out, branching out where it gets thinner, is about 25 feet. About 25 feet to there, and then you get another 15 feet to where the branches get a little bit slimmer there. We run out of room for stuff you put in the fireplace. And we have this, and then underneath it, so there's a second tree there. That one's 26-inch diameter there where I cut it also. You can see there's a little bit punky, kind of rotten there in the middle also. Here's the side of the tree. Here, a little bit rotten in the middle there. I cut this one. It's a 9-foot chunk to where it's cut right there. You can see here's what it looks like for the next section. This next part of the tree that's underneath the bigger tree is probably another 20-30 feet. Also underneath, kind of going that direction there. So this is what we got. Looking to get rid of the branches this weekend with the chipper, and then it should be pretty easy to get equipment back here and get the logs out.